Just a little update. We're gonna be doing a gross to great on a new machine that we got for only $100. I actually got it with a laptop as well for like $130, which is dope. I know it has 16 gigabytes of RAM. I already took a stick out, I tested it in another machine. It's got some kind of MSI graphics card. I'm not sure what it is yet. I'm gonna guess like a 1660 or something. I don't even know what kind of processor it has. I have an ad on Marketplace for buying computer parts and stuff, and he hit me up and he wanted 300 for it, and I offered him 100 like a month ago. And then he came back yesterday and said you can have it for 100. That's why you plant those seeds early on. Even if they say no, just be respectful, and a lot of times they'll end up getting back with you a month later because they're having trouble selling it. All right, guys, let's take a look at this machine. I will apologize now. My workbench is a mess, but we've been super busy over the last week. Yeah, so bear with me. Let's see what we got in this machine. Like I said, I took out the power supply to test another machine that we thought had a bad power supply, and it did. Took out one of the gigs of RAM. Let's get this graphics card out and see what we got going on in there. Obviously, it's an i5 power system. I buy these all the time for like 100, 120 bucks and just repurpose the parts. Mostly because nothing's proprietary. Everything can be reused. Like, this is a tough gaming motherboard, so we'll be all right. Let's get this guy off. Maybe put it in a new case. I don't think it'll need much else. The most powerful graphics card. It is a 1063 GT. So this is useless. Probably put the 1066 gigabyte in it, I guess, and try to offload it for 250 bucks or something. Let's keep getting into it. It's not super dry. Oh, that's Play-Doh. So this is probably gonna take a little bit longer than I thought, but it'll be okay. Older system, but more than anything, it needs some wire management. So what I'm gonna do is take everything out, get it cleaned up, test it, and figure out what we're gonna do with it. We got the motherboard out, obviously. There's a 2.5-inch solid state drive over here. I'm not sure how big it is yet. But I guess it's not as bad as I thought it was originally. The motherboard is just pretty dusty. I'll show you right here. Obviously, I've seen way worse. If you guys haven't seen the first gross to great video. Cleaned up a little bit, and we'll figure out what processor this is, and then yeah, I'll be right back. All right, guys, just a little update. Got everything reassembled except for the power supply, and then we will be ready to go. All right, guys, moment of truth. Uh-oh. Try again. Oh, cool. I didn't even know those were... Yeah. Let's see if we get any video. Oh, no keyboard detected, but we did it, yay. All right, $100 machine. Let's make some profit.